Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to create an event and sell tickets online, so on the day, you scan each guest in at the door right from your phone. No printed tickets, no guest list confusion. Let's set up your first event. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard. In the left menu, under Marketplace Store, click Events. This is where you create and manage every event you run. Click the Create Event button to start a brand new event. Give your event a clear name. For example, Afrobeat Live Summer Concert. This is the title your guests will see. Choose a category that fits as music, food and drink, arts, sports, and more. This helps guests discover your event. Set when your event starts and ends. These times appear on the event page and on every ticket. Add the venue, the city, and the country, so guests know exactly where to go. Now the important part, tickets. Click Add Ticket Type, then give it a name like General Admission, set its price, and set how many you'll sell. Add as many types as you like, General, VIP, Early Bird. Finally, click Save Event. From here you can publish it, and the moment you do, your event goes online and every ticket gets its own secure QR code. Once you save and publish, Resogra puts your event online and creates a secure QR code for every ticket sold. On event day, you open the door scanner from your account and scan each guest's code, valid tickets turn green, and a ticket can never be used twice. No paper, no lists, no stress. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.